Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Surf X Beanie Blooming Bango Episode 1, Aya Mika Sampayan Extreme. So super late na ako dito kasi nung nirelease to kahapon, I think nasa ospital ako kahapon kasi nanganak yung ate ko. So syempre as a tita, nagpunta ako doon. So hanggang gabi ako doon, nakauwi ako right before i-release yung documentary, kaya hindi ko na to na video agad. And then after nito, susunod ko na agad yung Dancer Breakdown, Beanie Cherry on Top featuring Beanie din sa uploaded by Steezy Studio. So ayan, super hindi ko pa siya napapanood yung dalawang video na ire-react ko ngayon kasi nga ayun, late na ako kahagabi nakauwi. And by the way guys, meron akong reaction video ng documentary pero hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko siya i-upload or kung saan ko siya i-upload kasi for sure dito sa YouTube may copyright yun and mabablock yun and baka maging delicate pa yung YouTube account ko. So hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya i-upload, bahala na. So eto na, hindi ko na ito patatagalan kasi super excited na ako panoodin to. Let's start.
Ang bango ka!
What does it take?
Ang bango ka!
What does it take to make the Philippines'
What?
hottest
The visuals! Sure, I close my eyes.
girl group amoy blooming pa rin ang damit kahit pawis? This is Beanie Blooming Bango, the show where we test the power of the new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom. With 3 extreme pawisin activities in one Beanie house, blooming bango pa rin kaya mga damit pagkatapos ng mga activities. Blooming morning, Beanie girls! Welcome to the Beanie house!
What?
Tanggalin niyo na ang mga blindfolds niyo.
Parang reality show. Oh my gosh, ito yung lead natin. Ito yung matagal nating
Ngayon ay
hinihilig sa
susubukan
kanila.
natin ang galing ng new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom sa pagtanggal ng amoy pawis sa damit. Para matest, lagyan muna natin ng Surf Fabcon ang mga damit sa
Ay,
isang
may
mini
kaya
challenge.
magkatabi. Oh my gosh, kaya ko na napansin. I'm so sorry guys.
Ngayon ay susubukan natin ang galing ng new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom sa pagtanggal ng amoy
Ano
pawis
yun,
sa damit.
Aya? Ba't
Para
ninapasin ka?
matest, lagyan muna natin ng Surf Fabcon ang mga damit sa isang mini challenge. Balikan muna tayo with the new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom. Hanapin ang 8 blue beanie shirt sa labada at ang new Surf Fabcon Fresh and Bloom na nakatago sa mga flowers. Tapos, issue ng labada sa matcha.
Oh, sino?
Nakatago sa mga
Hindi ka ba
flowers.
yun?
Tapos, issue ng labada sa matcha.
Sporting ka.
Marami tayong gagawin na. Are you ready?
Ganda ni Colette.
And
Yes,
go.
Mika.
Uy, ba't wala? We really had fun dun sa challenge. First time namin maglaro ng ganon. Ay!
We need Beanie reality show talaga.
Ako na nauna nakashoot. Ang galing.
Galing ni Gwen.
Paano po pag hindi kasing haba nung kamay nila? Dapat mas malapit ako. Okay. Ay! Okay! Malapit. Go girls! Kaya niyo yan.
Si Maloy, napagod na siya. Oh, that's my Colette.
Mag-shoot. Sino? Si Joanne. Hindi siya yung last. Yoshi! Hey! Kaya kami dalawa ni Ate Jo, kasi tatawanan kami dalawa, nagnanakawan kami, except for sinut mo. Kukunin ko yung sinut niya. Guys, si Aya, guys, naiiyak. Hindi na. Si Aya, mahirap niyang hanapin.
Ang ganda ni Colette! Oh my God!
Ako nakahanap na sa kanya. Ala!
Ito yung content na gustong-gusto natin, di ba? Hey! Sa pulsa
Girls,
ko.
huwag kalimutan ng Surf Fabcon.
Pinaka-challenge talaga is yung mahanap namin yung Surf Fabcon. And si Ate Maloy, siya yung nakahanap. Girls, nahanap ko na!
Hindi man nakashoot agad ng t-shirt. Nahanap naman yung ano.
It's in the shade of blue.
Yung
Ang
fact.
makaka-catch ay blooming sa bango. Yung mga iba, hindi.
Grabe! So parang alam mo yun,
May
natural
tikan
na
sa may
Beanie lang.
foundation technology yan. Kaya blooming bango ang damit kahit pawis.
Aksay na aksay.
Congratulations, Beanie! Ngayon, pwede na kunin ang shirts niyo.
Parang yung ano din.
Bango!
Ano,
Blooming
almost
bango na ba ang damit ng lahat?
Beanie shirt din naman sila as beanie, di ba?
Go girls! 5, 6, 7, go! B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie! Okay, get ready girls! Let the challenges begin!
Okay. Si Gwen, si Stako, at si Mary. Okay, may kaya na
get ready girls!
broken
Let the
heart.
challenges begin!
Heartbroken.
Blooming Bango Challenge 1.
Let's
Sampayan
go, may
Extreme!
kaya!
Ang mga magsasampay.
Grabe yung Surf.
Aya
Thank you
and
so
Mika.
much, Surf,
Kailangan
for
nila sampay ang mga blooming
giving us
bango
this
damit sa
content.
giant sampayan
Tapos
na
may kaya po,
gumagalaw.
my God.
Ang player na may pinakamaraming nasampay sa loob ng 5 minutes ay ang ating Sampayan
Parang mas
Extreme
matangkad.
Champion.
Hindi pala parang. Mas matangkad si Aya kay ano.
Go!
Oh, let's go! Grabe yung jump ni Aya.
Napagod kami sa kakatalon. Parang alam mo yung tatalon na kami, tapos biglang aakyat na naman siya.
Parang sanay na si Aya dito kasi di ba?
5 minutes for it felt like 10 minutes for me.
Mga habits na.
Pagod na ako, guys!
Ano?
Grocery ni
Hiking.
Break it down, yo!
Ball, may kaya lubog. Nakagawa pa nga ng kanta.
Nakakapagod. 5 minutes lang siya.
May kaya
5 minutes
lubog.
for it felt like 10 minutes for me. Pagod na ako, guys! Lubog! Grocery ni Kaya! Lubog! Lubog!
Si Colette. Break it down, di. Okay, may kaya lubog. Pero yung totoo, layag. Nasira pa yun. Oh my God, sobrang chaotic. Wala.
Pagod pala.
Ang ganda! Oh my
And
God.
our winner for this challenge is... Aya!
Hey! Isa lang.
Pinagbigyan
Hey!
First kasi sa manalo sa mga
Oh my gosh.
against Mika. So, yay! For a change, diba?
First win, Aya, first win against
tired. We
Mika.
both did our best. And kahit pawisan, sobrang bango pa rin.
Sino ang magiging Blooming Bango Champion? Abangan ang susunod na episodes.
Blooming bango pa rin ang damit with the new Surf Abcon Fresh and Bloom.
Ang gaganda! Kit ni Gwen. Oh my gosh, parang ang saya nung collaboration ng Beanie tsaka nung Surf. To think na binigyan tayo ng Surf ng ganitong content. Ang saya lang. Like, ito yung matagal na nating inaantay na content from Beanie. Like, sobrang natural lang nila yung nag-aasara, sobrang competitive, tapos Mikaya inaasar pa, grabe. Sobrang thank you talaga, sir, for giving us that content kasi super excited ako sa mga iba pang episode. So ito naman, Dancer Breakdown, Beanie Cherry on Top by Steezy Studio. So let's start.
Smile.
Thank you. Okay, I'll smile. Okay.
Josie?
Throughout this video. And we can't breathe all the time through the mouth because we're gonna go like...
Oh my God, energetic OG shit.
Hi, it's Joanna.
I'm Stacy. Hi, I'm Sheena.
I'm Gwen.
Bebe!
Hi, guys, I'm Mika. Hi, everybody, it's Aya. Hi, I'm Colette.
Makalit!
I'm Lloyd.
And I'm Clay.
And we are...
Beanie.
Yay! Ang ganda na gulit. Oh my gosh, guys, wait lang.
And we are...
Beanie.
My baby!
So today we're going to be doing a nice reaction and breakdown of Cherry on Top and learn a little bit more about our lovely dancers and performers. So shall we get into it?
Yes, let's go.
Let's do it.
My presence is a present.
Who is she? I was live singing a while ago.
No, you
Steezy Studio.
As we were doing research on this, we realized one of our Steezy instructors was one of the choreographers, was the choreographer. What was his name again?
Jonathan.
Yeah, Jonathan Cison, and y'all got to meet him earlier, right? Small things like being able to showcase a choreographer. It does a lot for, you know, the dance community as well, because there's often like a disconnect between the artist and the dancers, right? So it's pretty cool.
It's really thrilling for us too that we're here in Steezy.
Actually, our coaches give us an account of for Steezy, and if we have a free time, we log in there and then we search what genre do we want, what coaching. Is it for beginners or difficult
we just
one?
tried the beginner.
We tried the beginner, but we tried the difficult one and we gave up.
Yung titig naman ni Maloy.
Who is the difficult one and we gave up? Who is she? Who is she?
So one thing, Mika, that I actually noticed is you have a really interesting form of relaxation when you dance.
Me?
Yeah. You.
Me?
Are you a fairly flexible person?
She is the most flexible.
The most flexible?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like I think that there's something that flexible people have an advantage on. You have a lot more limberness in your body.
Really?
Which also means that when you're hitting movements, you are able to hit the highest, furthest point, but you're also able to retract it back.
Para si Aya yung usual Aya
See, we are
naglo-loading.
learning so much in here.
Ay, may kaya heart. Hey, well.
What's it like watching yourself on there? Is it awkward?
For me, I always watch us dance.
Yeah.
Like I evaluate.
You review it?
Yeah, I review it every time like perform, but not always. But I'm used to watching.
One of my favorite things, Sheena, about your dancing is you have a really interesting way of leading movements. And a lot of times you lead movements from your ribs. You allow your hip to pull you, allow your ribs to pull
Gawin
you
niya,
in other
galawin niyo.
directions. And that gives,
Gawin
like, a
niya,
sense of
igalaw yung
fluidity.
bewang niya.
It's putting in work.
Unbelievable.
You have like kind of ballet hands. Did you do
Ito
that?
ni Colette yung tawa ni Colette.
We've tried.
You've trained a little bit in ballet?
The 8 of us.
Yeah, we have
Uy,
like
Colette,
sessions.
titig
There's
mo
always
naman.
like this nice like elegance
Oh,
to it,
thank you.
but your body like
Parang
holds
every time
rhythm.
na may
Like,
makulit,
you're
naisip ko si Siki at si Mad.
It's coming out.
You hold the rhythm really well in your body.
Nabasa niyo ba yung AU na yun, guys? Every
There's
chances.
nice like elegance
really? Oh,
to it,
thank you.
but your body like holds rhythm.
The girly. It's coming out.
You hold rhythm really well in your body. Is there a particular reason? Like, did you grow up around like a lot of like?
Actually, this is my first time trying a genre like this. I'm more of like a hip hop.
Uy,
and
ang
then
ganda
when
talaga
I
ni
am
Colette.
trying
Tas
a
the way she
genre like
speaks.
this, I'm more of like a hip hop, and then when I
Colette,
enter,
mamahalin.
so this is my first time trying some girly stuff.
Colette, mamahalin. Pasisilbihan niya. One chance lang.
Ay. Ay.
Hey!
What's your secret with the facial?
A secret?
Yeah. What's the technique and the thought behind it? Versus your
Grabe
just
talaga
have it
si
like
pag
that?
Sigwe nagpe-perform.
I just do it that way.
Hindi makakalain. Eh, hindi makakalain ng siya lang.
No. My strength in facial is the fierce one.
Fierce side. I see.
Eh. Thank you, Steezy, kasi OG shapes. Oh my God.
I actually like this part.
Have you had any particular moments where maybe an instructor or a teammate or maybe there was a critique, like something that was given to you really helped you click something that you were maybe struggling with for a while?
The girls would tell me that I'm too full out before. And it makes me like lose my balance sometimes. There are times you have to relax.
There's a choreographer, his name is Scott Forsyth. He has this thing for his crew brotherhood that he always uses, which is 90-10. The idea is that always only give 90% of your energy, so you always leave 10% for control. That's a really great thing to realize. Like, that's a
Yeah.
great clip.
Eh.
So something I really did enjoy, Joanna, I really enjoy your smile throughout the entire, like, I feel like even when I was watching the music video and like even other performances, there's something that's so lovely about like the, like it feels like the dance is very genuinely enjoyable for you and it's a consistent thing.
Thank you. Okay, I'll smile. Okay, I'll smile all throughout this video. So snappy.
I like this part because we get to
The best. Because you're having to sing and you're supposed to dance, how do you think about your breathing?
That was a struggle at the beginning to combine both. It's so hard, like working out and then singing while working out.
And we would wear crop tops, so we can't breathe with our
can't look like
stomach,
me.
you know. We have to be like, and we can't breathe all the time through the mouth because we're gonna go like.
If you want it sweet, sugar on love. If you want it spicy. Cherry on top, cherry on top. C-H-E-R-R-Y.
It deserves slow clap.
Slow clap.
Slow clap.
Well done. This dance is one of the super catchy
Wait
ones.
lang ulit, I saw that. Ang ganda talaga! I cannot!
Well done.
Pagdila pa eh.
Super catchy ones that also, it's like deceiving right? Because I feel like you watch and you're like, oh yeah, they're just, there's some hits.
Ganda nilang lahat, pero syempre iba yung tawa ni Colette sa akin. Alam niyo na yung...
And changing formations a billion times.
It's really fast. And singing?
And then singing.
You do sing? Yeah.
Good job, y'all. Well done.
Thank you for watching! Subscribe to Steezy's YouTube channel and of course our channel, Beanie Official. Bye! Stream
Check out Beanie.
Bye!
Thanks, y'all. Bye.
Ganda! So, ayan, thank you so much sa Surf and dito sa Steezy na video kasi grabe yung content like this sa Surf, like yung usual na Beanie na napapanood natin, yung ang saya lang, natural yung kulitan, yung asaran, and then dito naman sa Steezy is yung OG ships kasi din sa Surf naman is Mikaya, pero grabe, like ang sarap panoodin talaga lalo na yung sa Surf kasi excited ako sa iba pang episode and ayun nga parang ayun yung video na na matagal nating hinihili. By the way guys, siguro yung mga nakasubscribe sa akin is nagtataka kung bakit hindi ako nag-upload lately. Parang sinabi ko din yun dun sa reaction ko dun sa dance practice ng Cherry on Top kasi nga grabe yung breakout ng pimples ko, like kung mapapansin nyo, and hindi kasi ako nagme-makeup, like literal, hindi ako makeup girly. Wala akong ka-makeup sa bag, ganan. So, hindi ko siya matatakluban. Kaya, parang wala akong ganang mag-video lately. Pero I'll try na maging active ulit starting sa October 1. Siguro, mag-upload ako doon ng Mikaya video kasi Mikaya Day yon, and then, start na ulit siguro. Try ko talaga, promise guys. Sana hindi madagdagan yung breakout ng pimples ko. So, ayan. Ano pa ba? Like, yung sa documentary, hindi ko talaga alam kung kailan ko siya may upload or saan. Bahala na. Or kung i-upload ko pa ba siya. Panoodin nyo guys yung documentary kung hindi nyo pa napapanood. Pero I'm sure naman napanood nyo na lahat. Free lang ngayon sa I1 TFC. Kaya lang, yung alam mo, tutulo ng luha mo. Pero biglang may ads. Ganon yung feel. Kaya, tiis lang kasi, ayun nga, free lang naman siya. Tapos, grabe yung documentary guys. Legit. Sobrang ganda. Super excited na ako sa chapter 2. Yung sa chapter 1, grabe yung feels. Like, mas lalo kong minahal yung Beanie. Kasi grabe yung, alam mo yun, yung hard work talaga nila doon mo makikita. And grabe yung pinagdaanan nila lahat. Lalo na ni Aya and ni Gwen dun sa Beanieverse concert. Lalo ko talaga silang minahal yung Beanie. Mahal ko naman na sila. Pero alam mo yun, hindi ko alam kung paano explain. Basta nadagdagan yung pagmamahal ko. Like, wala nang atrasan to, 8 hanggang dulo na talaga to, guys. Kung panoodin nyo talaga, makaka-relate kayo kasi grabe yung impact ng documentary sa akin. Lalo na talaga, mas minahal ko talaga doon si Aya and si Gwen. Grabe yung love ko nung napanood ko yung documentary talaga. Kasi, 'di ba, ang alam lang natin is hindi okay talaga si Aya. Pero, yung off-cam na nangyayari, kagaya ng nasa documentary, kung hindi pa natin napanood yung documentary na yun, wala tayong kaalam-alam na ganun na pala yung nangyayari sa kanila. Lalo na kay Aya and kay Gwen. So, don't judge anyone talaga kasi, di ba, lahat tayo may mga pagsubok na pinagdadaanan sa buhay. So, kaya hindi natin pwedeng i-judge yung ibang tao kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan nila sa likod ng cameraman yan or sa likod ng mga ngiti nila, ganan. So, grabe talaga yung documentary. Sobrang galing nung mga nasa production, sina Jeff Canoy, di ba? Yung sa, alam ko, newscaster, di ba? Or basta sa ABS-CBN. And sa team ng Beanie, grabe din yung mga pinagdaanan nila lahat. And of course, the Beanie Girls. Like, sobrang saludo sa Beanie talaga and sa family nila sa pag-support sa kanila. Kasi kung walang support ng family, hindi naman nila itutuloy talaga yung as Beanie, ganon. Wala silang strength or wala yung lakas ng loob nila kung hindi sila susuportahan ng family nila. So, ayun, thank you so much, Beanie, for fighting, for giving us inspiration talaga. Like, ayun talaga yung hindi nyo alam, grabe yung impact niya sa aming Blooms. Like, sinave nyo kami nung mga panahong down na down kami. Sana lagi nyong isipin na andito kaming Blooms, kahit anong mangyari hindi kami aalis. And okay lang na mag-take kayo ng time to rest. And alam nyo yun, kasi syempre importante pa din yung health nyo. Physical na health man yan or mentally, kasi lahat ng feelings natin valid. So, okay lang yan, Beanie. Huwag nyo kaming isipin kasi hindi naman kami mawawala talaga sa inyo. Okay lang yan kahit maghiyatos kayo ng 1 taon kasi for me yung mga galing sa K-pop world, batak na kami dyan sa mga hiyatos na yan. So, okay lang kahit magpahinga kayo kasi deserve nyo naman yun. Pero deserve nyo din lahat ng blessings talaga. Like, yung sinabi doon ni sino yun? Si Miss MQ ba? Basta si Miss MQ ata yun yung nagsabi na parang noon binebenta niya yung Beanie sa mga brands pero minsan hindi tinatanggap or ini-ignore lang, ganun. Pero ngayon, grabe na endorsements ng Beanie. Sila na yung hinahabol ng brands ngayon. So, sobrang nakaka-proud talaga. Panoodin nyo guys yung documentary. Sobrang worth it. So, that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!